Hello! Do you know that you memorize best moment in the same way people are doing for a century? Really, the photograph art is principally same since 80, 50, 30 year. Well, devices became smaller, even smaller. But your friend's experience is still same. Both in 20th and 21st centuries they are watching into 2D plane images and videos. It's high time to try something new. Sharing experience like being together even with those who never tried it. Make a real 3D tour for your friends. Take them virtually with you in your trip. Underwater, in the mountains, anywhere you want. How does it work? Take 360 degrees panoramas in a single click with a Scuba Cam. Upload your panoramas to scubaview360.com. And share it through your favorite social networks. ScubaView 360 is a new way to share the world of your adventures. ScubaView360.com for sharing, Scuba Cam for creation, and Scuba App for diving into virtual reality.